Want to remove the red dot with a number from message apps on your iPhone? If you're seeing a badge notification don't have any unread messages, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Before you do anything, open Message, tap Edit, tap Select Message, tap Read All at the bottom left screen. Now just restart your iPhone. Now mostly doing this will solve your problems, but if you still have issues then follow the next process. Solution 1. Clear messages from iCloud. Open the setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, tap See All, scroll down, tap Message in iCloud, turn it off and turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset batch notifications. Resetting the notification settings for the Messages app may help. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. Find and tap Messages. Toggle Badge app icon off, then back on. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the no unread messages but badge notification has a number issue on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tips.